Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 19 of our 31-day series, How to Get Your Yarn Organized as we move into the new year. Whew, that title, oh my gosh, it's getting longer every video. Okay, so number 19 is amazing. I love the way this looks. It's basically lots of smallish hexagon-shaped shelving units that are just put up on the wall. Some of them are really close together, some are spread out a little bit, but it basically gives it like a honeycomb effect or a honeycomb look. So I think personally this would be a great place to store your yarn bee yarns. I think that would be very appropriate. But otherwise, I just love it. I think it looks beautiful. You can put it with lots of colors and it just gives it that three-dimensional pop to the wall. But it also gets things up off the floor and kind of, you know, taking up less floor space with floor shelving units. So I like that they're on the wall. They're kind of out of reach of the little people's hands. They're out of reach of the pets. And I think they just look beautiful. So, Whippy Chick, where can I get one of these, right? Good question. So I knew you would ask. I looked into this and I just put in the search words hexagon shelves into Amazon and voila. There were lots and lots of choices. Lots of choices. So if you're interested, go ahead and search Amazon because there's lots of different options there. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know. Did you like this idea? Is this something you would use in the future? Is this something you've used in the past? Or is this something maybe you've seen somewhere else, perhaps in a local yarn store? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please let me know in the comments below. And until tomorrow, have a great day. Bye-bye.